we go to the depth of the cave, but we have not discovered ourselves. And then we are waiting. Upanishad, Vedanta, quiet, does not tell us anything. What does this mean? Have we been duped? In the Russian nesting doll is there. You open the doll, a little doll, then you open that doll, another little doll. So in the end you expect to find the real self. Nothing. So do I not exist? But I do exist. 300 years ago Descartes showed that one thing you cannot doubt is your own existence. I do exist. But then what am I? I am not the body. I am not the prana. I am not the mind. I am not the intellect. I am not the nothing also, the blank. Then what am I? Here is the famous parable of this is the time to tell the parable of the 10 friends who crossed the river. So it is introduced skillfully at this point. Post Shankara masters, Sureshwara, Vidyananda, they used this parable to explain what happened. 10 friends crossed the river, and then they thought, have we all crossed or did somebody drown? And one of them said, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my God, the 10th one is dead. The 10th one is not there. Our 10th friend is drowned. The other said, you're not counting correctly. Let me count. Each one counted and they found only 9. Of course, they were not counting themselves. And they started crying. Oh, our poor friend has drowned. Our poor friend is dead. Then somebody was passing by. Why are you crying, my friends? Because we were 10 friends and we crossed the river and then our poor friend, he drowned. Alas. How do you know he drowned? Well, because we counted. There are only 9 of us left now. How do you know there are only 9? We counted. Then that man said, don't cry. The 10th man is there. Where? I'll show you. See, at this point, religion comes, spirituality comes, Vedanta comes, and says there is an ultimate reality. Call it God, Atman, Brahman, something is there which will solve all your problems. And we don't know where. I'll tell you. I'll show you. But relax. Okay, show us. Say, count. They've already counted. No, count again. Humor me. And so one of them starts counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I told you 9. And this man took his hand and turned it around. 10. Thou art the 10th. In Sanskrit, Dashavastvamasi. Thou art the 10th. You are the 10th. And this man goes, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I found the 10th one. The others say, let me try. They all start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, we have found the 10th one and they are very happy. That's the story. What does it mean here? First of all, 2 things we have to answer, 2 questions. 1, why did that man who was counting, why did he not find the 10th one? Because he didn't count himself. Yes, you'd say that. That's correct. He didn't count himself. Now a deeper question. Why did he not count himself? What was he looking for? He was looking for the 10th man outside as an other. Why was he looking for the 10th man outside? Why as an other? Because the other 9 are outside. They are objects. The first 9 he counted. They are other than him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where was he looking for the 10th? It should be somewhere there. But it's not there. He was looking for the 10th as an object, as something other than himself, as not the self. Now the Upanishad wants to say exactly this is what we are doing. When we count body, prana, mind, intellect, absence of everything, they are all like those first 9. Object, 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 object. Even the absence, blankness, is an object. Now here is the crucial question. Object to what or to whom? To whom are those 5 the object? To whom are those 9 the object? The 10th one? To whom are those 5 the object? To you, the real self. That's how you discover the witness consciousness. How do you do it? You go the way those objects are arranged as a very intelligent way. They are arranged from the gross to the subtle. From what's most obvious, body, to less obvious and inwards, prana, to less obvious and inwards, mind, to more subtle, inwards, intellect. And then to most subtle, blank, nothing. Wipe out every object, deep sleep, general anesthesia. To whom is that blankness appearing? That turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this turn I cannot do for you. Up to the ninth I can point out, up to blankness I can point out to you. From that blankness, that inward turn, you have to do yourself. To whom are these five appearing and disappearing? The physical body, the vital breath, the mental psyche, the intellect, and the absence of these in deep sleep or meditation or general anesthesia. All of these are appearing to whom or to what? That is you. That is you. And two things we can say about that. That you. One is, you do exist. It exists. And two, it's definitely consciousness because it gives you all these experiences. I'll end with this. There are 7 stages to this spiritual life. In the book Panchadashi, Vidyaranya Swami points out 7 stages to this non-dual path. Using this parable. Very nicely he pointed out 7 stages. Stage 1, ignorance. In Sanskrit, avidya. Stage 1, ignorance, avidya. Where he did not know about the existence of the 10th one. Couldn't find the existence of the 10th one. Couldn't find the 10th one. So avidya, they couldn't find it. Where is the 10th one? You remember the 10 friends? The 10th one. Can't find the 10th one. So ignorance about the 10th one. I don't know it. Second stage. Does not exist. Veiling, avarana. Veiling. Its existence is veiled. So I come to the conclusion, doesn't exist. My 10th friend has died. He's not there. Then third, the problem from all of this, called vikshepa, sorrow or suffering. Oh, alas, he drowned. What a tragedy. What a tragedy. And then, 4th stage, indirect knowledge. In Sanskrit, paroksha jnana. That passerby told that man, your 10th man, the 10th man exists. Don't worry, exists. Stop trying. This is indirect knowledge. Then 5th, direct knowledge. You are the 10th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are the 10th. Direct knowledge. Oh, I am the 10th. That's the 5th. 6th, dukkha nivritti, cessation of sorrow. That I was crying and weeping, my 10th friend, my poor friend has died. No, it's gone. And 7th, simultaneously, ananda prapti, joy, fulfillment. 7 stages. You apply to yourself. First, I don't know my real nature. What do you mean you don't know your real nature? Already you have completed the 5 levels of analysis. Physical body, I am not. Vital, I am not. Mental, I am not. Intellectual, I am not. The absence of all of those also, I am not. So, I don't know who I am. My real nature, I don't know. And as a result of that, it seems that it doesn't exist. This Atman, Brahman, pure consciousness does not exist. And what's my state now? Error. I am the body, I am the mind. Then I'm caught in samsara in life. I'm getting old, I shall die. People are not nice to me. I am not rich. I am not maybe successful enough. I have so many problems. And this is all that sorrowing, unhappiness. Like my 10th friend, he drowned, he's dead, alas. Then the 4th stage, Vedanta comes and tells you, wait, don't be afraid. You are pure consciousness. You are immortal. You are not the body, not the mind. All of this is indirect knowledge. We have just heard it. We just read it in a book. We have just heard lectures. Then the 5th stage, when I realize it, I go from body to prana to mind to intellect to the blankness. From there I turn inward and suddenly it becomes clear to me. Ah, this is what I am. I am this witness consciousness. Then dukkha nivritti, sorrow is gone. Because I know I am not the body or mind anymore. And all the problems of body, mind are not mine. And joy, I have peace and joy. Because this limitless consciousness I am, always was, will always be. And we will see how it removes all our problems. In the second session we will see. So these are the 7 stages of the non-dual path. Ignorance, veiling, error, knowledge, indirect knowledge, direct realization, removal of sorrow, attainment of fulfillment or bliss. 7 stages. And we remember this with the help of the parable of the 10th man.